ICT in JNV Shimla is not just teaching the content through PowerPoint presentation, it's a two-way process. It's engaging and involving our students into uh, using the ICT tools and to inculcate various 21st century skills in them.
Hello, myself Anchal Ramsey. In our ICT class, we have learned about Wakelet. Wakelet is a wonderful platform where we curate and organize content. Further, it helps us in inculcating many skills like communication skills, collaboration, and creativity.
Hello, myself Gaurav Ranta. In our ICT classes, we learned about Python programming, which we use to create different programs for solving many problems. Python is one of the best programming language in the world. Python is a wonderful platform for expressing our thoughts and ideas in form of codes. I am very thankful to JNU Shimla for providing me such a great opportunity to learn this language. Thank you.
Hello, myself Akansha. In our ICT class, we learned about Adobe Spark, which I use to create catchy posters to communicate my ideas to the world.
In our ICT classes, we try to involve students to use various innovative tools to improve the whole teaching learning process so that they may use and create something through ICT.
Hello, myself Vishakha Sharma. In our ICT class, we have learned about Flipgrid. It's an amazing platform to interact with the people all around the world, through which we aware them about cyber crimes and security issues by sharing our video contents. Thank you.
Hello, myself Shruti. In our ICT classes, we learned about FreeMind. It is a mind mapping application in which we create mind maps for different chapters, which help us to visualize and memorize the whole chapter in one go. Thank you.
Hello, myself Divya Thakur. In our ICT classes, we interacted with Kata Connectors from UK. They provided us necessary career guidance for a bright future. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Nipakshi of class 12 studying in the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Thok, Shimla. I want to make you aware of Flipgrid, which is an amazing platform to excel our speaking and creative skills. On this platform, we have worked by making short videos on the topic cyber security and cyber awareness to make people aware about the cyber world and the pros and cons related to it. Actually, I feel like it is an incredible ICT tool to develop our soft skills like critical thinking, communication, and creativity.
JNV Shimla has collaboration with Spoken Tutorial Project IIT Bombay to use and advocate free and open source software. In addition to that, we have collaboration with other IT giants like Adobe, Microsoft, as well as Wakelet, Flipgrid, many innovative tools in order to apply them in the teaching learning process to improve overall productivity.
Myself Prince. In our ICT class, we learned about Adobe Spark. In the direction of Amit sir, we made a lot of art integrated templates. Thank you.
Myself Ajay Mukta. In our ICT class, we learned about many things like Python coding, MySQL, which made us very logical and it develops our critical thinking skills. Thank you.
Hello, myself Ankush. In our ICT class, we learn about Python MySQL connectivity. Python is a better language for programming and it develops critical thinking. With the help of Python MySQL connectivity, we can handle large number of information stored in the table by simple coding. And it was an amazing experience working with Python and MySQL.
Hello, this is Divanshu. In our ICT classroom, we have access to our new tool called Flipgrid. It helps us to improve our communication skills and improve our confidence. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
हेलो, मेरा नाम मंजीत है। ICT क्लास में हमने पाइथन कोडिंग के बारे में सीखा। यह कंप्यूटर की सबसे आसान लैंग्वेज है। इससे हमें नए नए आइडिया को एक्सप्रेस करने में हेल्प मिलती है। धन्यवाद।
Hello, myself Neha Thakur. In our ICT class, we learned about how to make mind maps. It increases our creativity and productivity. It's an excellent tool to let us generate more ideas. Thanks.
Hello, myself Pankaj Chauhan. In our ITC classes, we learn about Python programming, in which we create Python program as per our requirement. Thank you.
Hello, myself Dikshit. In our ICT classes, we have learned about our Python programming language, which we use to create Python program. It has developed our thinking and logical skills.
I am myself Vivek, and in our ICT classes we have also learned about mind maps, and mind maps is a very interesting app for making our studies easier. Thank you.
Hello, myself Vivek. In our ICT classes, we learned about Python programming, which is very easy to learn, and I am very lucky that I got a chance to learn this language. Thank you.
हेलो, मेरा नाम संजय भंडारी है और जैसा कि हमने सिर्फ मूवीज़ में ही खतरनाक कोडिंग देखी, लेकिन ICT क्लासेस लगाने के बाद हमने भी उसी तरह की प्रोग्रामिंग सीखी और जाना कि वह बहुत आसान है, और इसके लिए मैं अमित सर का धन्यवाद करना चाहता
हूँ। In JNV Shimla, we make sure that every student may integrate the technology in their respective subjects to make a better comprehension, as well as we want them to be ready for the future.
उसने इसमें खूब सारे मटेरियल डाले, कहाँ डाले? करियर कि आपके पास क्या-क्या ऑप्शन आ गए उसमें। Photovoltaic cell means a kind of cell which can convert the light energy into chemical energy. Which will supply the energy to the solar lamps whenever they are required.